everyone, welcome to Red Group's Wednesday's lesson. Our learning intention for today is we are learning to understand what 1/4 is. So we're going to find out what that word quarter means today. And our success criteria is I can show 1/4 by colouring a shape. So far we have been looking at what 1/2 is. And this is how we write it as a word. This is how we write it as a fraction. If I was going to show that as a picture, I could have a circle, I divide it into halves, and that's the bottom number. The denominator tells us how many equal parts we divide the shape into. So it's 2, so we've divided it into 2 equal parts. And then if I wanted to show 1/2, one out of the 2 parts, I could shade that in. So that's 1/2. So we've been doing a lot of work about what 1/2 of a whole shape is. Today, we're going to learn a different fraction amount, and that's what a quarter is. Okay, so when we divide a shape into quarters, we're dividing it into 4 equal parts. So if I have another circle like this, and I divide it into 4 equal parts, and then I'm going to show 1/4, that means that I'm shading in one of those 4 parts. So to write that in words, we write 1, and this is the word quarter. Okay, and to write that as a number, we've shaded in 1 part. So the numerator, the top number is 1. The bottom number, the denominator, is 4 because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So 1 out of the 4 parts is coloured in. So we've got 1/4. So if we just have a look here at these 2 shapes, and if I had to show 1/4, all I would need to do, this shape has been divided into 4 parts, all I would need to do is to shade in that 1/4. Okay, this shape has been divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's been divided into quarters, and I want to show 1/4, so I need to shade in one of the quarters. It doesn't matter which one I colour in, it would still be 1/4. I could colour this one in, that would be 1/4. I could colour this one in, wouldn't matter. I'm going to colour this one. So now I'm going to write the number for 1/4. So it's 1 part out of the 4, so the 1 goes up the top. This is showing us how much we're looking at, how much we've coloured in. And the bottom number, the denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, so we've got 1 out of the 4 parts shaded in. And the way we say that fraction number is 1/4. So our focus today is looking at 1/4. Now, on your planner, there is a YouTube clip that you can watch, and it's telling you about what 1/4 is. So I'm going to explain what your independent task is, and then you can have a look at the YouTube clip and then go on with the independent task. So this is your independent task. You will need to look carefully at these shapes. They've all been divided into quarters, so 4 equal parts. I've done the first one for you. So what you need to do is to copy this into your maths book. So draw a circle, divide it into 4 equal parts, and then label it 1/4. So actually write the fraction number. So for the rest of these shapes, what you do is copy them down. You have to shade in 1/4, and then I want you to write the number 1/4 and label each of them. So see you later.